How to download Spotify playlist to MP3. So if you want to download Spotify playlist to MP3, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Spotify application. Once you open up your Spotify, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And after that, you just need to simply go with your library, which is on the bottom right, and tap on playlist, which is on the upper left. And here you need to go with the upper right again, which has that plus icon. Tap on playlist and create a playlist. Give it a name and then tap on create and add some songs to your playlist. Once you've created your playlist, what you need to do is just simply tap and select the playlist that you've created. Now once you have your playlist, if you want to download the Spotify playlist, then you just need to simply go with the left side, which has that download option. So you just need to simply tap on download and it will start the downloading process. That's how you can download Spotify playlist to MP3, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.